Hey guys, we received this active washing machine cleaner for test and try. 24 packs deep cleaning tablets for the front loader or the washing machine. So let me just open up this and show it to you. So you just use one tablet to just run in the washing machine to clean and all the order and stuff. So this actually helps in the grim build up or removing that one or remove order and refreshes, which are nice cleaning things. So it's like a 1 year supply. You have to use 15 days every 15 days. So two tablets in a month. So 24 tablets are provided. And here you see like the compressed pack. So all 24 tablets. So let me just take one and show it in the washer dryer. So this is the washer and I'm just taking out one tablet. So this tablet is a compressed tablet. I'm just putting in the washing machine and running one cycle. So normal wash as it said, and I will just start this. So after the cleaning you can see like the cycle. This feels really fresh and better. So this is a nice washing machine tablets for the cleaning and use.